Ruhonge rwa KEMSA rugite ni rwihariirie kuhingurira bururi mirango ya thitoo ciaruo niguo gutheria ndoro iria ruhakitwo kumana na riboti ya ungumania wa mbeca cia COVID-19.
This is an issue, obviously, that has caused us as a board a lot of distress. When we keep seeing that we receive donations, that we are still holding them at KEMSA, and we are doing nothing with them, or when we read that they were stolen at KEMSA or elsewhere, which is not true. I want to put the record straight here and now that isn't true.
Agitetera ruhonge ruru mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya ugima wa mwiri, muikariri giti wa bodi ya KEMSA Kebigitura augite KEMSA tio mehokeirwo kigina giothe kia bajeti ya kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19 ta uria a Kenya metikitie.
We have received from the Ministry of Health, because that is the only place we can receive money outside KEMSA capital. We have received from the Ministry of Health the sum of 2,181,934,518.
Mambirioni ma mbeca maria marerikana moriire moko-ini ma anene a KEMSA, Kebi augite gutingihotekeka tondu gutire uteithio wa kimbeca mamukagira kuma kuri ikundi iria iheanaga uteithio.
We cannot receive that cash donation. We have no capacity to receive cash donation. But the commodities by JACMA and everybody else went to the Ministry of Health, to the National Government of Kenya, and we warehoused it and distributed it, as we are going to see in file number 4, A, B, and C.
Rutha rwa President Uhuru Kenyatta rwa gwitikiria county igure indo cia thibitari kuma kuri aguri angi tiga KEMSA, Kebi augite gutigite ruhonge ruru na murigo wa indo iria magurite wa makiria ma ciringi bilioni 6.
Is there an effort where you've tried to mention to the ministry that you have these items, you are stuck and you don't have a market?
And the way we think we can get out of there, and I mentioned it earlier on when I was making my presentation, is by being allowed to offload the stocks of 6.2 billion shillings and at the current prices.
If you have already made a request to the ministry, I think this committee will be interested to know what's the ministry plan, because majority of our medics have no PPEs, so I don't think it would be fair for us to sit here and the PPEs are in your stores and they are not going to the facilities.
KEMSA ititiritie indo iria yagurire itiari cia thogora wa iguru gukira thogora wa thoko ihinda-ini riu.
If you are the lowest at that time, Nairobi Hospital will have come to buy from KEMSA and Aga Khan. And more so, they maximize on profit and minimize on losses. So they will always go for the cheaper. So are you misleading the committee, or what is the point?
And I can say this without fear of contradiction, that some of our traditional suppliers did not supply us with PPEs and masks and things like those because they were getting better prices in the private hospitals. It is not for me to go beyond that point, but it is for me to say that I wish this committee or a committee of this committee can carry out a market survey to see how much these things were going for.
President Uhuru Kenyatta ahete honge cia uthuthuria ihinda ria ciumia 3 cikorwo cirikitie uthuthuria wa kuria mbeca cia muingi ciorĩire angikorwo ni ciurĩte. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.